Well, today is President's Day. Barack Obama, as you know, is our nation's 44th president, but there have only actually been 43 men who have served as chief executive of this country, the greatest country on earth. Because Grover Cleveland served twice and not in a row, so they counted him twice. It's George Washington's birthday today, our first president. A man who didn't want the power, didn't want the fame, didn't want the politics, didn't want the responsibility of the office. But he served anyway. What happened to that attitude in our country? Where did it go? The attitude of country over self, of sacrificial service over power-hungry politician, of desire to be with his family rather than win so-called friends and money in government. I want that back. You know, there are three things I want in a president. Number one, I want a president who will keep me safe by destroying ISIS. I don't want a president who steals credit for killing Osama bin Laden to score political points. A president who leaves Americans to die in Benghazi to score political points. A president who leaves our country naked and vulnerable to shootings by homegrown terrorists because he wants to score political points. No. I want a president who will recognize the threat of radical Islamist terrorists and who will unleash the greatest military in the world to take them out. Number two, I want a president who will cut my taxes. I don't want a president who thinks she can spend my money better than I can, who thinks I'm so greedy that I won't share my money with those less fortunate than I am, who will spend my money on organizations whose primary platform is abortion, the most repugnant stain in the history of our entire nation. I want a president who encourages people to provide for their families, to keep and spend their own money as they see fit, and gets his nose out of my business. Number three, I want a president who protects my right to bear arms. I don't want a president who surrounds himself by security guards with guns, with armored vehicles with guns, with snipers on the roofs of all the buildings around him with guns, and then tells me that I'm not fit to own a gun and protect myself. I want a president who knows that guns are the great equalizer, that women defend ourselves against sexual abuse with guns, against home invasions with guns, against assault with guns, and that guns equalize the balance between we the people and a government who might someday forget their place. It's election year. This is our chance. We get to pick what we want next, who we want next, and we better pick smart because our country depends on it. That's my final point of the night. Thanks for watching Tipping Point. You can always reach me on Twitter at Liz_Wheeler or email me at oann.com/contact. We'll be back tomorrow, same time, same place. Until then, have a great night.